Hi y'all, welcome back to Hanging Out with Liz. As I told you in the last video with the bright lipstick, I got 2 boxes in today. One was my winter box and one I ordered special. Once or twice a year they do a special thing where you can order extra boxes of like older ones. And this one was the men's box. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to see what's inside, and I can always gift it to the hubby. So I am going to do that with you now. Open her up, and this is what it looks like. And they do have the little thing, but it does not give details on the products. You have to like scan it for theirs. Okay, so let's see here. We got a little shower bag, the handle, and zip, and Walmart blue. That's kind of nice. It'll get used for sure. And it came with the scrubbers, body benefits for him, extra large shower scrubber. It's a good size. It feels good too. It's nice and silky. It's not super scratchy or anything. I think he'll really like that, and it's in a good color. And Gold Bond Proteins and Lipids Aging Master Skin Strength and Resilience Lotion. 80% saw improvements in texture in just 5 days. Like a deluxe sample of the Gold Bond. This box was 10, so it would be considered one of their deluxe boxes. So you look at the Gold Bond. And we've got Nautica Blue Fragrance for Men. Little sample, deluxe sample thing for him to try. And Passion Fruit Liquid IV. And a Cetaphil Shea Mineral Sunscreen with SPF 50 for your face. Gentle on the skin. So that's cool. So he's got a face sunscreen. What else is in here? There's a lot of stuff in here, y'all. Fundamental Skincare Trial Set. Oily to normal skin. Perfect warm-up lap for your face. Face moisturizer and charcoal face wash. I'm gonna open this one. See what's inside of this. Since it's hubby's gift, I can do that. Oh, this is cool. Look, it's got two little jars. You see a charcoal face wash and a face moisturizer. Let's see. Let's see if they're open and shut. And we got the little thingies. It smells good. It smells like an aftershave almost, but like a clean scent. It smells really good. Hopefully he'll like these. So he's got a face cleanser and, you know, face lotion to moisturize and face sunscreen. So, and then you have your scrubbers. Let's see what else is in here. There's still more stuff. Y'all, this is back. This was worth 10. Okay. You got your, for him, 2x2 face brush, dual action, contour bristled head, and non-slip grip. And it's got like a thingy on it. It's like a little brush. I don't know if you can see that. That is cool. It says features extra large size, dual action bristles, contour head, non-slip grip, and economic handle. It says to replace every 3 to 6 months. This is cool. Very cool. It feels good in the hand. So I kind of like that one. I might try one of those for me. Okay. Oh, this is cool. He's got a back scrubber. And it's got a soap pouch in it. It says soap pouch, dual texture. So it'll hold that bar of soap for you. Is it 2 things? I'm not sure. Okay, yeah. Use a bar of soap or shower gel. It's to help make scrubbing your back easier, and it holds it for you. And then see, there's your little soap bar slot. It's like up here. That's kind of cool. And one side's really textured and the other side is nice and soft. So that's really cool. And an exfoliating mitt. Kind of cool. And that's not extreme rough, but it's not gentle. It's definitely in the medium family. This is definitely a medium exfoliator. This would not be for your face. This would be for your body. But that's cool. So he's got an exfoliator mitt too. And because it's a mitt, you could probably hold the soap in your hand and just kind of... So that's kind of cool because men do like bars of soap sometimes. Yeah, we all like bars of soap sometimes. So that's very cool. So he's got an exfoliating mitt, an extra large back scrubber with like deluxe back scrubber with the pouch. I'm about to check out this body benefits stuff after he's used some of it. The scrubby, the face brush, back in. I'll make sure this all fits so I can seal it again. The fundamental trial set, the 2 little black jars, the charcoal scrub and the face moisturizer, sunscreen, protein and lipid lotion to try, which is perfect for winter, hydrating multiplier, passion fruit for liquid IV, the Nautica Blue little cologne. Oh, that smells not bad either. I've never had them before for him. Very cool. He's got that. And the bag to stick it all in when he's traveling. So he's got that as well. That was a really, really good kit, actually. I like the men's box. I'll have to keep that in mind. Because I think they were, I want to say they were like 15 originally. But this one was 10 when I bought it in the sale. So, or it might have been 10 originally. Sometimes they're still the original price. They're just letting you pick it up knowing what's in it. So, 10 or 15, either. It was 100% worth it. I'll have to definitely keep that in mind for future men's boxes. I will say Walmart Beauty, good box. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, shape, or form, by the way. I just like their stuff. So yeah. So if you want the men's box, you can go on walmartbeauty.com and kind of check it out and see what you see. Okay. Well, that's our video for today. I hope you all have a really good holiday season. And on that note, I'm going to say bye, y'all.